Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, today we are going to Stonehenge to see the summer solstice, and I'm gonna vlog this whole day. So, stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe because there's gonna be many videos coming up. So, yes, let's go. Enjoy the festival as well, and it'll be cold, so we are taking blankets and stuff. So let's go. These are our bags and vloggers. And link their channel down below. So go follow their channel as well. And what are we making? Coffee. And they're eating something already. They've started their trip. Just existing. Let's go. Is telling us about how the stones came. Is there a clear answer, Raksha?
They're still trying to figure out. They are like um they're partnering with academics.
Everybody wants historians.
Historians, academics, these archaeologists, all of like different departments to find out the actual history. But
Nobody knows.
in 19,
But then you were saying some logs came and all.
yeah,
What
so they are saying that these stones they probably use tree trunks as logs to like drag it. But they're saying the stones are so heavy that the trees would have gotten crushed.
Yeah,
And they're saying they came through the river.
yeah,
That,
water
like,
logging.
They probably made it float
Yeah.
on top of the river, but again,
Wait.
no signs of it.
Raksha talks. 1 hour and we haven't reached. So where are we going?
So we're here, and we need to follow this road through all the way to the exit, which is here. And obviously that's maroon because that's a lot of traffic.
So what do you think?
It's
When
going
are
to
we
take
reaching?
easily another 20-30 minutes.
Back to Raksha talks. Vlogging me. So funny. So much traffic, guys.
एक तो पूरा वो ही
एक ने तो गिव अप कर लिया है. बोले किसके साथ आया, अगली बार इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को लाएगा ही नहीं साथ में.
वो बाइक गैंग.
We're in traffic and arrive in about 32 minutes.
Can you share crazy? Yeah, why are these people not?
What time are we reaching? What is he doing? What is this? Oh,
Summer solstice, no?
with the perfect view. So finally we reached at 10 p.m. This is the moon. And we are here. So what do you have to say, guys?
Summer solstice! I don't know.
I thought you said like, share, and subscribe.
Band. Yeah.
Fancy.
Finally, guys, we are finally going. Although it's, we can just see the moon now. Guys, sup guys? Jai Ho, Jai Baba Ji, Gurudev. So we are walking towards the Stonehenge, and this is the party. Raksha has started eating. Park, Gilan. Are you enjoying the vibe?
No paparazzis, please.
Okay. Are you enjoying the vibe, AK? You are full in the vibe.
As one can be. Skirt and everything.
Okay, time to eat some sandwiches and poha and brownies, Caesar salad. We have Murdula sandwich, my poha. This is Indian breakfast poha. Niyati.
For tomorrow morning when we wake up.
Giving sandwiches. And we are having
Sauces?
and your brownie was so good. And she gave me as much as you like. There's more. And okay, Woo!
यहाँ पे सनराइज हो रही है
कितने देर से खड़े हो सनराइज देखने के लिए?
Guys,
पूरी
it's
रात से
been 45 minutes at least that we've been standing on this spot, है ना?
Yeah, we booked this spot only for
last night we did not sleep to wake up at 2.
yeah. Oh, see.
Oh, I think he's doing a time lapse.
Yeah, that's nice. So, is this sunrise or not yet?
This is sunset.
Wow.
Oh man, so this. That's why he's barking.
मेरे को मत हिला
See what is happening. One person is recording, but keeping on this person's
At sunrise, you
and this girl is taking selfies, and I'm recording.
at this time of the
Excuse me. So we just saw the beautiful sunrise and it's very crowded in Stonehenge right now. So we're just waiting in the car for our friends, AK and Niyati, because they forgot something and now they are bringing it. And it's super crowded, as you can see. I don't know And so what are we doing now?
We're about to eat some poha because we have nothing else to do. So we're just gonna eat and chill until they come back. We have nothing, no internet, so we also can't do
so
anything.
that's why I'm making this vlog again today. Day 2 in Stonehenge, and after this, what's our plan, Mridula?
I don't know. We're going to find a place for you and Niyati.
Because we have meetings,
Yeah, and then
unfortunately.
we'll drive back. Hopefully, this traffic will have cleared out by then, so we'll be able to drive quickly, and then we'll fresh up and have.
Or maybe we can explore Salisbury if we have time left, because I have in-person meeting at 3 p.m. I hope I'll make it. Definitely I have to make it.
The end of the vlog will tell you if she made it,
Yeah.
guys.
Okay, bye. Bye, Stonehenge. So yeah, I made it to both of my meetings on time. And say
Even I want to go. I might
you
as
say
well.
like.
No,
No, you say like.
Don't subscribe.
Yes, I taught them well. Bye.